On the ball, man. Having the ball.
There was a great scene in season one where everybody was at the dinner table and the issue of like police and policing and vigilantes came up. And it made me wonder with your character, is there part of him that wishes he could do more life like Damon?
I would say without hesitation, no, simply because he is a man who has picked up the shield to serve and protect. And he feels like he can accomplish all of that on his own terms. He believes in the law that much. That's a great question. And that scene got trimmed a little bit. There was even more of a discussion in there about vigilantism and there is the law. We do things this way. But I love playing that part. I don't necessarily. I wish I had superpowers. I Damon sometimes, but Henderson is, he's devoted.
Relationship become as smoothly as Jim Gordon and Batman?
Maybe. I think that's where they might be headed, but I don't think Henderson is, Gordon. No, I think he's a little feistier than Gordon, and I think that the minute he finds out that his friend has betrayed him in a way for the last 30 years, there's no telling what might happen there. But that's me. I don't know. They might write something and be like, "You're Commissioner Gordon." He'd be like, "Yes, sir."
That's what I was going to ask: is how is he going to react when he finds out that his friend has been keeping this from him?
In my mind, the only way he can act is pretty pissed off. I mean, come on. That's the other thing about Jefferson is that's really his only ally. That's really his only person between job and community. He's an enemy of the community because he's a police officer at this time. He's an enemy of Jefferson's family pretty much because he's a police officer. So Jefferson is his boy, and to lose that, I think that would be. So I look forward to that. I've been looking forward to that since day one.
One of the most empowering scenes of the whole season was when Henderson, when he basically confronted those road cops and kind of began I stood up and I'm like, this is lit.
Wow.
So I wonder, are we going to see more of him having to not only fight the criminals of Greenland, but also the road cops within the police station?
Oh yeah, I have no doubt they'll explore that more, especially because they promoted him. They promoted he's deputy chief Henderson now, so we really have to clean up some stuff. And he alludes to the fact that there are lots of bad seeds in the community during the first season, so that he's got to get to work, roll up his sleeves, and do what he says he's going to do. These are great questions. These are good questions, man. These are good questions.
Do you hope that we'll actually explore flashbacks of how you guys met?
I hope so. That's a good idea. Yeah. Because I think we they have to get a lot of information in. We kind of started out that way when we saw more screen time between the two of them. But I think they'll get back to that time they went fishing and some Converse or something. You know what I mean? That kind of stuff. Yeah. Because you need that. You need that bond.
Yeah, especially since you're and your wife don't worry about you, and now Jefferson, lightning, he can kind of relate to that. So it's like they don't have that dynamic.
That's a great point. Yeah, because that's part of the healing of that too. Yeah, exactly. Yeah, that's a great point. Definitely, you would definitely. Y'all are great, man.
In the comics, Henderson is a Superman character. So I wonder, might we see your version of Henderson's passage with maybe other metahuman DC characters? I mean, has he? It's like the first superhero ever met.
Yes, in our world, this Henderson, you mean?
Yeah.
This Henderson is the first. He's specifically in the Freeland world. He hasn't existed outside that world. Not yet.
Here that you want to see him, maybe I used to know this guy or this girl.
Yeah, I used to know Superman. I don't know. Damon the fan wants to see that, but I don't know if he would. That's a good boy. These are good, man. These are seriously the best questions I've been asked. Thank you all so much. It means a lot. Seriously.
What's the? I was just going to ask us filming in Atlanta. I was just there visiting it. It's an interesting city.
She said it's an interesting city. Being a native of Detroit, Michigan, there are lots of things about Atlanta that remind me of Detroit. So sometimes it feels like home. But I haven't lived in either place. I've been in New York and Los Angeles for the last 25 years, or whatever. So it's a bit of a culture shock sometimes. Right now it's 92 degrees. So coming to San Diego, an hour and a half from my house, or an hour 45 minutes, 2 hours from LA, feels like heaven, man. And I love Southern California. Atlanta, I love Atlanta too. I mean, because there's so much there. There's so much history there. And for a show like this, sense of community and politics, one minute you're marching to tear down the Confederate monument around the corner, and then next week you're at the Atlanta Dream game, and it's a good place. It could be worse.